Hi Vaisi, I am Kaustubh and I'll just take you through a very quick product demo of what we're building here at the Orange Lab. We're building a marketing solution which solves for two major marketing use cases. One is on-premise marketing. Which means how do you make sure that people buy more when they visit your restaurant? And second, retention marketing, which is how do you make sure that people come again and again. So for solving the on-premise marketing aspect of for restaurants, we've built a very visual, very Instagram-like QR menu experience, which is very different from all the solutions which are currently out there. So basically, there are different QR codes like the ones you see on the screen spread across the restaurant on every table. Once you scan it, you're taken to WhatsApp with a pre-filled message. When you send that message, you get a link to the menu. We've done this so that we can capture data in a very non-intrusive way, and further down the line when we want to do retention marketing, we're able to do it more seamlessly because the person is already connected to the establishment through WhatsApp, right? So once people click on this menu, they're taken to a highly visual digital menu that I talked about. So you can see that this person is using the menu. There are a lot of videos of high margin products that the restaurants wants to push, and then they can order off of those videos, and just a very Instagram like experience, right? So what I'll do now is I'll just quickly take you through an example of a menu for Haldirams, right? It's a large chain in India. So let's say we visit the menu, then we have different features over here, which I'll take you through them one by one. So basically, first is the video element of it, right? Because now people really like short videos. They really engage with short videos. So what we've done is that, let's say that you want to one upsell them, right? So there are different featured dishes which are there, like the dosa, like the Haldirams came up with a new breakfast menu. So we have a video on the breakfast menu. Let's say that you want to order sweets, then we have a video of ghevar which is being prepared. So let's say a person comes and sits down to have a quick meal, they see a video of a ghevar, so they're tempted to order a sweet as well. And so this is how we're enabling upselling. And the second part is, we're also enabling cross selling through these different videos of gift hampers which are there at Haldirams, all the different celebrations which are happening, how you can shop for snacks at Haldirams, right? So this is how we're enabling more and more sales through Haldirams through a short video, for Haldirams through a very short video format. Then there's a menu experience for the people who are visiting, that they can see the different dishes order from here. There is a highly visual wall like you see in Instagram, wherein people can interact with the images of the food and order through, after seeing what they like through these images. There's a social feed as well, because people really like seeing what others are doing, and it makes the experience seem very authentic. Finally, we have an AI waiter as well. And this is something that both restaurant owners and people really appreciate, because there's a huge manpower issue in India. The waiters here are, trust me, not good at all. So they don't give you very accurate information, they're not able to help you that well, right? So therefore we created this AI waiter which gives you which answers your queries. So let's just say that I want to ask it a question like, suggest some khatta meetha snacks, like suggest some tangy snacks. So from the menu it will give you certain dishes that you can try out. Then you can cross question it as well, that how is the papri chaat prepared. And then what it does is that it answers any query that you might have, right? So it literally answers anything under the sun related to the menu. You can ask it like, I feel under the weather, I want to eat something which uplifts my mood or whatever, right? So these are the different features of the QR menu, and we've seen that this is really working, right? Because it is driving real business objectives. It is helping in upselling high margin products, and we've seen an increase in 10 to 15% rise, increase in sales of the dishes that we are putting out as videos out there. And we've seen interaction a lot of interactions with the AI waiter as well. Now, what this menu is also ensuring is that it helps us in building a very good retention marketing product. How does that happen? Currently, what happens is when a person comes and interacts with this particular menu, we get different data points, right? That which videos are you seeing, how are you interacting with those videos, how long are you seeing them, which photos are you seeing over here, what questions you're asking the AI waiter. So we're able to create a very rich user profile of one particular person. In the status quo, what restaurants had was that this person came and ordered these three dishes. Now what they're getting is a very rich data, a very rich user profile, because of all these micro interactions that we've enabled in the QR menu. Now what we've done on top of it is that based on these micro interactions, we've bucketed users into different categories, and for all those different categories we run different WhatsApp marketing promotions, right now restaurants were running one bucket, one overarching umbrella promotion. Now they're able to run 20, 20, 30 promotions for the same event. So let's say the India Pakistan match is coming. Now I can run 20 different promotions. For one person who likes sweets, I can run a very sweet centric product, a promotion. For one person who likes chart, I can run a very chart centric retention marketing campaign. And that is why that is how we're also building a very good retention marketing product on top of it. So these are the two products which are live right now. So, and further down the line we also are planning to introduce different products for Instagram marketing as well.